Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be diving into the blowing up engine and trying to figure out what has gone wrong. So I've stripped most of the accessories off, headers, everything, enough that I should be able to split the block apart, take a look inside each side of the head, each piston, kind of see if there's any obvious damage, get a dive into it. So I've got a tripod set up here. This one's kind of just being like a time lapse of the process of deassembling an engine. But you can all watch that. Any questions, comment below, otherwise let's get started. First thing we're going to do is take off this timing case. This is going to let us get to the timing belt, loosen off each of the cam sprockets and get the whole process started. Okay, so as you can see, that's where my failure point is right there. Crack in the cylinder 4. Not sure 100% why yet. Head gasket didn't look too bad. Did have some pretty severe blowouts on the bottom where it looks like coolant may have been seeping through, or air may have been seeping through into the coolant, which may have increased the temperatures in the rear or fourth cylinder, but I'm not 100% sure. But as you can see by that time lapse, that's a video of deassembling the engine. I'm dropping the heads off at machining tomorrow to find out if they're usable or not, and we'll go from there. Otherwise, see you guys in the next video.